Welcome to the Web Builder How-To video series, adding blogs and blog categories. First, go to the template on your control panel, and you'll need to add the blog widget onto your website. Select the widget from the drop-down box and select the location. Click Add. This will add the blog widget onto your sourcing machine site. The first part is now complete. Click the Go to Dashboard button. You can now click the blog category button on your control panel. You now need to give a title to your blog. Click Save. Now your blog is set up, click Manage Blog and start posting. To create a blog, first add a title, a subheading if you want. You can add an image to that blog and the main text. Once you've completed, click Save. You have now created your first blog post. Thank you for watching.